if you hold down your club down, you can now move left and right in the tee box. All right, so you wanted to add some secondary functions to your simulator box that you have that already exist. This is my wireless box. I just have a dummy battery in it, just plugged in. This can be plugged into any dongle or any USB-C battery thing. I just use them if you don't want to use a battery, but I'm just having it here because I had it in here and I didn't have any AA batteries. So that's just a dummy one. That's going to sit here. So you're going to go to my store, www.bacustomproducts.com. You're going to find the one that looks, there's a bunch of different hotkeys. You can actually go free files, T left, T right. You're going to download that, or I think you got to add it to your cart. I don't know. You got to use a real email. You can put like fake address. I guess I don't know how to make it, so you can just download it, but you got to add it to your cart. It's a free file. Read the directions here on how to do it. So you're gonna download that. Just save it on your desktop. That's what I have it. Okay. Then you're gonna go to Auto Hotkey, which is if you click here, it'll take you to it. You're going to download V2. I already had it up. So, all right, once you have that downloaded, so you have T left, T right, so it's wherever you downloaded it. Now, when I click on that, I have two different versions, so I'm running it with that one. It shouldn't ask you that if you only have one version. So, anyway, now, when you're on gspro, I should have done one where it's kind of like trees in the way. You know, there's like trees in the way. So what this does, if you hold down your club down, you can now move left and right in the tee box. And it's really a big deal when you're, got trees in the way. So let's say you get all turned about, right? You don't know where the hole is. Now enter on my boxes typically does nothing because gspro, I'm hoping once they do some more things, kind of like TGC 2019, you can navigate all the menus without a mouse. You can do everything without a mouse. There's not one time you need a mouse. So enter's a good thing to have. I'm hoping to add that. And then this box will be unstoppable. Anyway, so if you hold that down and you hit enter, it's going to reset your aim. So it just aims you back into the general area of the pin location. Now, move that. Let's do F11, and we're going to minimize it. So in order to put this on in your Windows startup, so you actually never have to worry about it again, Windows R, you're going to type this here, so you can pause it, look, shell startup, hit OK, and here's your startup folder. You're going to drop that right in there. Now, every time your computer starts up, that hotkey is going to run. And again, it doesn't affect anything. The only thing it does is when you hold this down and you do that, it turns those points. Now, I'm thinking, I don't buy anything because of future promises, even my product. You've seen my other ones that have like the yellow and the different functionalities here that says shift. You can do that with a label maker, a Cricut. I plan on doing some sort of sticker packs at some point, and you can kind of add your own secondary functions to your existing box. So I have this one on mouse. This is my second subscription to gspro. just so I can do a bunch of testing and stuff inside. I don't have to sit out in my simulator building. So I can use my mouse. Sometimes it's fun to play. Backspin. Oh, come on. Ooh. Oh, I made it in the circle. I don't even know how that works. All right. Yeah, so box, you can turn, but you can go left and right. So I want to go way over here. So now I'm here. And I can launch a big one out there. And then let's say, again, you just kind of get all turned around. You accidentally click. You don't know where you're at. Like, I mean, most of the time, this is like if you're really in the woods, you kind of just resets your aim so you're not having to do that. So anyway, that's that. I basically just kind of wanted to make a video so I could debut my new intro. So remember, I do it the wrong way, so you don't have to.